Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading How to Catch the Easter Bunny by Adam Wallace and Andy Ellerton. How to Catch the Easter Bunny. I've been working long and hard with all my peeps and crew. We made the eggs, and now I'm here to bring them all to you. My real name is a secret. My friends call me E.B. My special jobs mean I must hide my true identity. Yes, I'm the Easter Bunny, and I'm coming to your home. If you have Easter spirit, then you just might see me roam. This first trap is quite simple. There's carrots on a plate. I'm lightning fast to catch me. You'll need some better bait. A hole that covered by a rug will never cause me a strife. Have you forgotten what I am? Burrowing in my life. Now, this is much more like it. A fully lit dance floor. I'll do a little hip hop and then dash behind the door. This next trap is quite clever, made by brilliant engineers, but it's hard to catch a bunny who has supersonic ears. You want to catch me for my eggs and magic basket too, but I've been hiding Easter treats since 1682. This trap's nearly get me, but check out all my hops. Watch me dodge the flying fish and cherry yogurt pops. I switch my size from 2 feet tall to something small and gray. Your Easter spirit is so strong, you see me right away. I leave so many Easter treats. No children will be sad, but when they see that I escape, they'll all be hopping mad. The Bunny Tumbler 2.0 sure takes me for a spin, but I got lucky rabbit feet. I know I'll always win. With all the treats delivered to children big and small, I got one special stop to make to my favorite kid of all. See you next year. I've been waiting all year long. Now Easter is here at last. You can try your best to catch me, but you know that I'm too fast. And I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.